Hi, I am Max. Today we shall be discussing Caterpillar with its ticker CAT. So, imagine we're looking at CAT's price chart. It's sitting at $379.24 right now. And we've got these three key moving averages that tell us a lot about the trend: the 20-day, 50-day, and the 200-day. Now, the price is actually a bit above the 50-day and way above the 200-day, which usually means things are looking strong. It's like CAT's had a good year. It's hanging out at the higher end of its recent range, actually in the top 87.5% over the last 200 trading days. That's impressive. But here's the twist. Over the last 50 days, it's just around the middle mark, sitting at a percentile of 50%. This tells us that, while CAT's been performing well overall, its recent action has cooled off a bit. It's like it ran up fast and is now catching its breath, just pacing around near the 20-day moving average. Now, let's switch gears and check out what's going on in the options market. This is where it gets interesting. Imagine a scatter plot of implied volatility, IV, showing how much people are betting on potential price swings for CAT. Here's the pattern. Implied volatility is higher for lower strike prices, especially for the put options. What does that mean? Well, investors are kind of saying, hey, there's a chance this thing might drop, so let's protect ourselves. They're hedging against downside risks. We're also seeing more volume in puts around the 340 to 360 range, which means folks are really covering their bases down there. This psychology is confirmed by looking at the struggle region in the price chart. As for the call options, the volume is lighter, and they're clustered around the current price and slightly above. This gives us a sense that people aren't expecting a huge breakout to the upside. More like they're cautiously optimistic. From the implied volatility trend chart, we can observe that since the end of September, the sentiment of the market has been markedly bearish, with the IV call 30 line almost always considerably below the IV put 30 line. Towards the end of the month, both the IV call 30 and IV put 30 dip together, to indicate that at current price, the sentiment will more likely to keep hovering at around this level. That's all for now, and if you find this presentation useful, please subscribe and give me an upvote.